When making logical arguments, it's important to know that you can write statements in different ways. Let's start with how to write the converse. Converse means you're switching the order of the hypothesis and the conclusion. So if the conditional statement was P arrow Q, this becomes Q arrow P in the symbolic form. The converse is equivalent in truth value to the inverse, which means if the converse is true, the inverse is also true. Let's see some examples of writing the converse. Translate each statement into symbolic form using your own letters. Then write the converse for each conditional statement. So we'll start with the symbolic form. If you play on the tennis team, then you like tennis. Using any letters we want, perhaps starting with E and going to F. That means our hypothesis, this part right here after the if, is E, represented as E, and everything after then, the conclusion, is F. If we write the converse, that means we switch the order. So we begin with F and then flow to E. Now notice I didn't circle the if because the if stays at the beginning of the sentence, and I didn't circle then because then stays in the middle of the sentence. So here's what it looks like. If, so the F goes first, you like tennis, then, and now the E, you play on the tennis team. How about you give a shot to the second one, assigning your own letters for the conditional statement and then writing the converse.